welcome to another episode of Iliashi with me, Maggie. Iliashi, you might wonder, what are we talking about? Well, these are realities, facts about life, things that happen, they affect everyone. When I say they affect everyone, they affect everyone. The society at large, the young, the old, and even the teenagers. It's everyone. Our houses are affected by these realities and stories. And on this program, we get to digest them. We get to take them in depth. We get to have all the factuals right. And I'm also never alone on my show. I always have a very special guest, and I will be able to introduce her to you, my audience out there, after the break. And before we even take this very short commercial break, I'm very overwhelmed. We love the interactions that everyone is having with us out there on social media. We're receiving these phone calls, these messages, and these comments. We love it out here. We love our local viewers. And also, a big shout out to also our diaspora viewers. A big shout out. We love you, and we know you're watching, and we're happy that you're interacting with us. I'll be right back after this short commercial break. Welcome back. And before the break, I did mention that I have a guest with me. This guest is someone that you people know. She is the face of social media. She is someone that you have seen before. She's not a stranger to me and to you as well. And she is none other than Mama Chikamoneka. Mami, I welcome you again.
Thank you, Maggie.
It's very nice to always have you. You always have these clothes that you always wear. And before we even started, you were telling us that you tailor these clothes alone. This is very beautiful, Mama Chikamoneka. So malikota nama customers.
Sana nalikota ma customers having sana.
Na nende fa mukambilileko so that when we are doing this, I'll be like, this dress was bought by my mother. I'm very happy that you're here with us. We've had a lot of episodes. We've talked about a lot of things, and we were so happy to have our live interaction that day. People were communicating, they were calling and talking about things. And when people started calling in, I now started realizing that these things actually happen. The things that we talk about here are the things that actually happen, and people were confirming and saying, please explain about this and that. And I know for a fact that it is not only the people that were calling in that day. I know a lot of people are also faced with a lot of things that we talk about here, and that is what Iliashi is all about. So Mama Chikamoneka, on today's episode, I would really want us to dwell on the fact that Kwaribati body count. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. Body count, muchisungu or muchinyanja or muchibemba balandati bantu beuna gona pona bevi. Nibanga. Ine na alala pona banga. Umwaume alala pona banga. Do those things actually matter in a relationship?
Pusheri kankala sana kwena. Ero kabidi ina topics tulekwatare kwato kusambirisha abantu abengi sana. Ngefe mulandile mukubala emkwai kwena umukashano kwenda nabantu abengero talaupwa mulandu kalamba sana. Shibantu na ino kwenda naba umyabengi abakashana abengi sana. Ido talaupa mulandu kalamba sana. Mwana wandi Idio Adamu na Eva babapangire mwibala mwarifi abantu babiri. Mwarifi Adamu na Eva. Nishishi benga mwariko na bambi obapendere aba endere na Eva. Inena ishwafa ati ni Adamu. Songa mwalando kutila ati umukashana alenda naba umya bengi. Ero mwamena alenda naba abana kasha bengi before tabalaupa na mulandu kalamba sana. Te mulandu wa kutwala kuna masangi. Because umwana kashi lesa mpangire okupwa kuma umeunga umwana yena lesa ampere umwana kashunga tampere abana kashi 5 nangu 6 nangu 10 emkwa iso mulandu wakwati umwana kashale kolonganya aba umyabale kanalekana elo kabiri tabale kolonganya size yabo yeka bale kolongani kabakote bawishikulu baba lumendo bawishi bonse fyama sizes yonse all types ali ishi bomwana kashi emkwai so techisuba sana yo.
Okay. So number, why is it important in a relationship? Let's say I'm in a relationship. Is it important for my boyfriend to know how many people I've slept with, or is it important for me to know how many for my boyfriend to know how many men or how many men I've slept with? Fyadiba, does it carry any weight?
Kwena chira karinga weight nga chakwati wafuma mufuma chumi. Pantu balanda ati chishinka chikakulenga okuba omuntungwa. Na mwisho nga kwati bechintu chikalisha sana abantu chakwe bati omulume obe ali kuchita trust sign erwa isa kumanya limbi abana nko bayisa mu bati uyu mukashano uyu aliponi girlfriend wandi okay kucha mfashani magi nangu uyu mulume obe aliponi umuna obe yasa kubati abamulume obe aliponi ba boyfriend wandi kuti wa mfashani. That's why transparency is very important. Umuntu kulande chine ne chinka ukweba tikona balume bandi nangu mulengupa nali kwetepo ba boyfriend ngani babiri batatu abalumbula so that umwe uli hala kuishiboka tumwana kashwandi alenje bechinka ukuchira waya upo kumwana wabene walitanti kaba umya benki ero ngataulandire ni chichara bashani ukalabwekelako but once waibo omulume obe nishaishi batakabwekele kwa alichishani alileka ya nifezi alipita so ichinka chiralengo omuntu kubo mutungwa so it's better wamwe bafye bwino no omulume obe na yena na wafiri akweba nalikwetepo na ka girlfriend ku school nalikwetepo na kana nalikwetepo waishiba ukuchira lilia muleya munshirero mwaisa punka nali mpamo ero aisa kakaisa mkumbatero aisa kadi nika girlfriend kani wala ufashani so it's better wabafe open ukwebo munobe if you waendelero wali umulumendo nangwiro wali mukashana chali very important emkwai.
All right, so now that you have pointed out that it is important that we are transparent in your talking, we've seen incidences where so many women out there, they'll bear me witness. They say nganaebo oma ome atinarira lapo na aba interests that they just get to lose interest in me, they leave me. What causes men to actually leave a woman when they are looking for the truth, and then when someone tells you the truth, you now say awe inena iwe awe fotes tuwe pamo, because you've told them the truth. So now, should women now start hiding the fact that they've had multiple relationships and only maybe have a small number of people that maybe they have slept with?
Mwana wandezo chawa minokulande chinko mulando wakwebati once umenga isa to find out, it's better wabika patebo take it or leave it ebu chinka mwebe chinka if tulelanda chimono kwebati umulumendo ngatakwebere chinka nangu mukashana takwebere chinka tefyo kuntanshi fyupo fikesapwa nafsia nafilelenge fyupo kupwa because time akesa ichita realize that waliendele naba umyabengi taka kutemwe bachali wa mafe dai nefe pa first parapene wa mweba so that umwine ala sumina nangu ala fikana ala senda nangu tafisendele so chali wa fe important ukumwati kwena boy na liendele pona abantu abanaba pantu de akesa ita find out tamwakekane nankwe bidi elo chimbi ichinenga sana ukutila abakashana bale fisange fini mwalanda tukufisa bale shibatumo myalankana but tetakukani umwe wishire mukupa fye bwino akakupa fye bwino ngelo umwe omena ngo afisa lesa mukwanda ta nali kutemenwe fina nguli chilema nali kutemenwe fina ngo alenda na bali nali kumwene na bena but ale kupa ichabapo fye ichishinka chali wama pantu nanguka fise umwe umekuchipinda kakuishibati ababena nibasa ko muntu bali enda na mapolopera shaft ama size 200 size 300 size 500 size 1 size 2 ale ishiba nanguka fise akeshiba kuchipinda ati ababakalamba teba ichi kwali befyo beshibirako iwenga wafisa kuli efya akeshibirako umwe
So a man will always know nangwidena landati no me I've only slept with 3 guys, or let me just say no inena likwete po ba exi one number 1 my first love the number kwa isa so one number 2 the number imwe nimwe ba number 3. How can a man they'll actually know that me I'm lying, I'm not telling the truth? How are they going to know that I'm not telling the truth?
Mwana wandi magi umwe omyakesa kwe bafati but munangu na miupa bane muri bakalamba mwalienda sana chinchirenga na inenga nakuipusha pakuti akwebe fyo nishina ishiba mukati takwebe pana kupa kale kwa ikula bukwati waupo omwana kashe waisa sangama mistakes ero mutima wala kwati it's okay it's fine ningu pakale nala seba na fine tatuikale bati ulioma ometake kale na bwino fyupo kunta nshikapwa bati nga wali mwebe chishinka mukekala because akakuishiba umwana kashinga enda sana naba omwana wandi magi tarubika ala sambirira master waya pusana kuba kote eyo yomwa omwa icho wala mupa taishiba so wala sango kwati ali muchupu alefu afafiri ale muchitaba kote so alafu ya master yako batawo imweta mwa ishiba no kuchitefi limbi bambale sana mukwebo omwana gashatiwe tamwa umwa umyati tamwa ishibe nchito mama na chisha lenga tala ndefe mpamlando kwati alenda naba abakote ama veteran muri mumichitire bamona aba ichabale pita mufingi amteli bale pita mufingi pama iPhone na Brazilian bale pita mufingi futa wamona hapo mwana wandinde ko baine nde papa sana so umwa umyale shiba performance ale shiba shon sale jo batete akwe because nakupa kali aisha fet ababa di soja anyway Never retired buga. Never sponsored.
So, Mama Chikamoneka, do you feel it's necessary for someone to hide that may have slept with so many men or so many women because they just want to protect that aspect about their life because they just don't want to be judged differently to say, hey, is it, do you feel it's important sometimes to not just tell that me have had such and such encounters with so many people?
Mwana wandita chaba important ukufisefya msango efyo. Ifya msango efyo filefe wa filanda. Chikaku afilisha kukwikala mchupu emyaka eyingi. Okuchiro okufisa. Because uwa kale matakale kanga wafisa tawakaleke. Ukatwaliliro okuchite ofini. Ukalafu mamungando ukalaya because kaili mwa uleto ntonga ntafishi eshibe fati nebo ka virgin kanshi nishina isha nokusha kale bato bama bo joint you ama exhaust zafuka fiechushi ama dashboard bali tulaula na isho batakwebe
so no Mama Chikamoneka is it I've seen people take offense when you tell them that you were not and everything and that's why I can't be with you ineteti ngupe kumwana kashi wala naba umeabengi nangu inene mwana kashi I can't accept a man who shumfwa. Is it necessary for you to be upset about it? Isn't it your lifestyle? Isn't that what you used to do? Why should you be upset about the truth behind your character?
Mwana wandi umuntu onsa kwata principle. Echa number 1. Kwali baba umyabalanda tinete tingu pyo mwana kashushiri na chisungu. Ni principle yako ikalunka sagie na chisungu. So umuntu onse that's why tulanda umuntu afira ichindika before talaupwa. Pamulando wako bati aba umebali pusana. Ukatemu mwa umesana bati mwa umedi kwata principle. Talefo kulala no muntu limbitaka kuikata pana pa mobili. Aka ukenda na nkwe 2 years mukochi taka kuikata pa mobili. Mulando wa ine principle. So umuntu onse umkashana no mulumendo. Afuira kwata principle yako bati ndi mwana kashi. Ufire na isa upa kumwa ume wandi isa ndiye chisungu chandi. Noti waenda na bantu 100 ero watampo kula imona wambo kula afisa. Tete wikale kuchupo mulida style bufi baka kuishiba. Mkwai.
Okay.
Once fe waenda naba umyabengi wishiba tu ukakupa kakuishiba. Ati ababa mayoli ule bali enda sana. Na ngutabako ebe na ngufise. Ake ishiba tididi ule. Lisha kata. Ili last. Zambia open uyu. Nomba takwebe kaya ma wedding na ya pita ma kitchen party na ya pita ma filanga mliro so nomba ingira mu fiance fili abantu bakambona shani katwika le fili na babeni but na ishwa ma polo pera shafti ya la siari pita
bachende promax
kaidi mwalimu nanga washita moto katefe ya kale bimbi waisa insha coffee styling ya ile fila no kuikatika bwino ya la kutwala na mpanga pu accident so bale ishibana ba umechimo chine na mayo chimona motoka nga washite yanyu ile ufika bwino pamusebo ile lila bwino na engine ile lila bwino nomba engine ya stop okula ila kokotoko what
if you problem
amaskide na nani kadeta kuli ama brakes ya lipwa motoka ile ya kudundu mwezi kusaisa South Africa ni shashani aishwati ni masha niba Babylon misumba nkalamba niba dera hera abanyaba takwebe nga kwali bekintu kyashupa mu ngando mu ametete akwebe nga kupa iwo kamana kwati nantemwa cut deep down mu mutima wako na kuishiba fyonse bale shiba.
Okay. So no matter how many times you hide it, it will just be known.
Magi akakui ali kuishiba nangu kachite pretend bataba umebala pena badaba umefyaba ko bafyatali fuma ku bantu akakwebera partner bakashimandini myupa muiba offended mwali ula sana madam era yode utokupwa mbedi
no la
la yisha bonsa bakotewe banjishiba kaidi problem ya bapako bataba bakashana magi balenda na umukulu ngaenda no mwana omunono virgin teshibera nguchimo wamanaka uri omwana omunono wala sambirire fintu ifingi kumukulu wamanaka kai mukulu alipita paria uri omwa icheta fishibe bakula mu bomfi afi anyhow wamanaka panangu mwana omunono mwa umerefo kupa na kisungu munankwe taka mu bomfi finga mu bomfi omukote.
Yeah, that's true.
Because umukote na refo kubona ushi arefo ko na ulafi so mubona ushi bira mu inechirenga nomba na ma threads yonse yalipwa ama nati fya bakakeno mba kuli kuchibi kuli do nati afiro ya tura ile pita mu banje bashaba ichaba yona ika.
And on that note, we're going to take a very short commercial break. We'll be right back.
New vibes with BMTV. Get ready, Zambia, because BMTV is about to bring you the hits with local stories, drama, comedy, and news that is all about you. Local vibes only. Catch stories from Lusaka to Livingston, towns to villages, Zambian stories told by Zambians. Drama and entertainment, from townships to trending shows, we have the best local content. News that you care about, local news, national pride, and what's happening in your hood. Your stories, our spotlight. We feature you, your talents, and your passions. Tune in now and let's vibe, Zambia. BMTV, Zambia's light, Zambia's voice.
Welcome back. And before the break, we were cracking our ribs with Mama Chika Monica. She's always funny. And welcome back once again. I'm still here with Mama Chika Monica. So Mama Chika Monica, I've asked you a lot of questions before the break. Continuing on with our conversation, body count is what we're really addressing today. So Nomba, we've seen situations where I'm dating someone, I'm dating a guy, and alleged promise, he looks like he's promising, and maybe we'll now go into marriage and all that. But once he just, he leaves me. What is your advice for people, or for me, a girl child who wants to keep this relationship, but I know that what if I give this person and then because when I continue doing that, what if what am I going to, how is my response going to be? What would be your advice when it comes to such situations, talking to a girl child that is maybe going through things like this?
Twalabwerera kukale era twale kulaife bale tukanya nga wakwata boyfriend na wishono kushatu uyu ni mutemwa limbi kuti twawupana kuntanshi bale kanyo kulala n'oyo mwaume bale tukanya no kuya kunganda kumwakwe abakalamba bali ishibe okweba uyu mwana omunono uyu tete achimfya maka ya mwana omwaume once waya kunganda ya mwaume akaya kuikata pamaka. So bale chita void fidia ero sometimes bale tupera limbi kwa bati kuya mkupiyanga bala kupera omwa iche u security uwa kuya mwana isa lande kubafyashi ati bachikome na ku bedroom bala ishiba pamula ndo chibale chita void chakwe bati ukalala na abantu abengi uyala kubepa mairo wayana nko wayalala ulabishikuta kupira ya upa bambi uyuna yena ala kusenda ifyo fine so echo bale chitira void so ngachakutiro mwana kashina kwa tomu lumendo ulefu olenda nankwe ero yali expect atala mu pero tamupire ero nishalera la nankwe afuire okuperera pali uyo wini nga akulala ulya nokupa ufuire waperera pali uyo wini pantu noyo umbina ena akakulala na umbi akakula kubepa so abakashana abana gashicho tufuire okubafunda chakwe bati bale kwata fe patience sungo mukoshu bulungu tabwashupa emkwai.
All right. So, coming to our modern days, these times, has social media actually influenced how these relationships are supposed to be compared to the past times?
Kwena hii social media ina na ilenga na ita contribute kubona ushuwa abana bakashana. Ka influence fili pa social media. Abantu abengi bale kopefya pa social media. Makamaka abana bakashana. Ama phone na yarufyanya sana. Kaili once atampo kutamba filia na ye na alafu ayo kufya kuchita practice. So na chishupa sana. Akaleta fyade moneka kumenso Yesu. But fili fya pa liponzi. That's why mwala sango kwa tina wakashana na watampa nukufaya abana baume na umfefyoka. Bale lembo tuma notu kufaya abana baume. Pamulandu wa social media. So social media na ina mwandini na yona ula abana. That's why mwala kufyalo fyaba nensu social media ili ingi kwa chama TikTok na ma Facebook bali baninga. Kwa tiku India so takuwa ba TikTok. Mwana wanda wa ku India. Ngana mwa titamba TikTok atakuwa befya upubefyo kuno. Umulandu wakati government yabo yali kwata this mwana wa discipline mu India. Tete mwana kashima msange na TikTok bamuleki. Umulandu wakati mwadi ba culture ya kosa. Culture ya ma Indians na culture ya ku West Africa. Kuliokwa ba masene baba kumali kulia intambishari kosa takwa bafene chawe chakwa ta discipline na order na ino ine Zambia oko tuafuma yadi kwete intambisha kosa toilette inefya ifyo mwana wandi nomba ino shita abana omulandu wa social media afyonse na fitona ula emkwa ina fyona ula abana beso.
All right. So now excuse me. So now looking at I know there are girl children out there that have been abused multiple times. Can you also count that as body count, or maybe that's just people being ignorant? Because you find that explain that a man can always tell that this person has, if she's gone through multiple times. But when it comes to people that have been abused, what is your take on such issues, especially when it comes to body count?
Icho walanda mwana wandi chila leta no bulanda. Icha kumono kutila umwana ale sungwa limbana na bawishi balifwa ero mwamsenda mwambo kumusunga magi panga ndayobe ero nombama uncles na bamulamba kubambo kumuchita abuse. Fila leta obulanda sana abana tabakula bwino. Abana bala disturbed. Pantulimbi umwine adi ichindika ero no kufishi batafishiba. Aisa dabwa fata anko akwa mwingirira ku bedroom. Mama naka ero limbi tamwingirira omukumo. Yala abafika na dudwira. Once umuntu ngalala no muntu akulala na nkwechira buchiko. So akula mwingirira mama naka so balia tetulanda fya kuifwaira filia. Filia leta no bulanda kubana abana kashi. Because akala inda nangu akakulia akafike pesa. Chikala amulia. Chikababulwele chikababulema so tachira faike fya msango fidia nomba ulio mwana nga bamuchita fidia nanguma neighbors ayama yanda kwa tiali palamina mu maluba bala beba sana bali abantu kuya mukubalala mu neighbors muri mwalishwaka mu makomboni bala ku neighbors nomba bali abana bambi umwana wachishinka usho atemenu efya lechitika alesa mukulanda kumulume wako ati kwena nangu mulengu pa ine nali disappointed mu life mu mwandi uko nale ikala nshale ikala bwino bale nchita abuse kuri banko bale njimina bale ndala ero bale ndala for several times so in fact abengi fya bakashana ebo bala nishibali abaichi bali abantu balalanda bala sokolola kumwa umetabafisa kano fyo mwa icho akwati alipama finale fyumfwa bwino yenanga bamuchite fyumfwa bwino eba chisokolola but abantu fya batuntu fyo mwana wa muntu fye alalanda dad but nangu mwalangu paine ba dad balindala banko balindala baneba balindala nangu bali nchita attack banchita rape that's why ishkwatile ekisungu balalanda bengi emkwai.
Okay. So the number of people that you have slept with, is there a limit of the number of people that I'm supposed to sleep with?
Maggie Ninkwe banga nakubwesha mu Bible nangu mwibala lya Eden mulya. Lesa pangire fi Adamunga umo na Eva umo. No lubafu lesa fumishe kuli Adamunga. Bushere sa fumishe mbafu 8. Kuli Adam. Afumishe kwa ba umeteni kulubafu lwa kwa Adam. Imbafu shonse ishilesa alifumishe. Pantu tuwako tuwafya lubafu lunga lumo. Shira iwe Magi walikuwa to lubafu lobe. Inena alikuwa to lubafu lwandi. So bali abalalala naba umyaba pisana bali ma mistakes. That's why bakwatira mashina tubetati ba Babylon misumba nkalamu. Bazambia open.
So Machika Monica, what values should be instilled in both Abana, because when we look at body count, it just doesn't fall on the girl child alone, no, but even on the boy child. So what type of values should we as parents or maybe as society instill in these children that are yet to be man or woman before tabarafika padia? Abani ba man, abani ba woman. What type of values should we now as parents or as the society instill in these children that are coming up?
Abana kashina bana ba umero tabalakula fwe bafyashi ni responsibility yesu ya kubafunda okuishiba ma disadvantages na ma advantages aya abamo mukutampo okulaya ulungano kiri umunono ngata tule bafunda abana kuya fyechi yeye umwana onse tulamweba teba nakashibeka ngefine walanda but mumwana umwaume mwali bokusenda mwama bad luck umwana umwaume ngatampo okulala ichilalela lya chiri umwana umunono akasenda na bad luck because ubuchende kaitula chita share blood kwali babantu bakwata bad luck na bakwata good luck limbi kubwa iche bwakokula kwini akatampo okulala notu icho twakwata bad luck blood ya shama taka chite prosper life mumwako ifi shosta tubafunda abana kwali bana bena abakashana bakwata bad luck Magi walitawa manapo kusha kwa bati umuntu ali kwete mpia eli ali kwete mpia leikala ekale wina fye ale wina fye ero aisa upo mwana kashi aisa tampo kwenda na matropico tawa manapo ni shuri omuntu ali kwata bad luck so mubulale lale fyo kwamba kubwa iche na kubukulu mwali ba ma disadvantages twile tulefunda abana okusunga omukoshi bulungu tabwashopa pa right time umwana afira isa baba fyashati ndefwayo kupa ule upana ukwata umwana kasho ule upatini nkwata efyo chifwaika noti umwana abalira pokusukuru konse kuli ali puisha abana pa school akuma college makamaka kuma university mama ababa lumendo bapa bima university hapana bakashana bali upana briefly bali upana mwaba macohabiting makamaka ababene abana babakankala abana babakankala mwe bana bakwalesa bale ona ula abana babalanda pa ma schools kaidena leisa na mapia yengi kufuma kuma parents aleisa ne myotoka aleisa ne nshi so tulio tukashano tufumine kubalanda kulya nomba ulio mulumendo akatupuisha tonse ukulala nato ngata changeri umwana so techisuma sana umwana ukula ula abana babene nokula lyesungu fya bene milandu takashuke mu life mwako akakulowa shama emkwaye.
All right. So namkulando for much talanda, but I just picked out something. How important is it for a young man or a young woman to have a good name or a good reputation out there? Kuri society ngamba kwanda uli omwana ali babwinolya uyo mwana taba mfya so what is of importance for someone to carry that good image about themselves, that good reputation about themselves out there in the society?
Umwana afile fyo kuichindika mumifwalile imilandile nemiendele fyonse filalanda walishibaka fyonse filalanda ifyo umwana alekula filalanda na ufya babene abekata mane bazi bale ikata omukashana tabekata fyechika teikate bale imulandu wamemonekele ya mwana ule bakamuikata bati umwana ngana ichindi ko mwina lekula bwino mukufwala mukuchitashani ilifya bwino yesterday yana ikile pa intercity nalika pa kachinga nipangirira yo nipana nalika na isa mona moto ke isuma sana ba wishi baikira ba wishi na bafwala fye bwino abakashi na bafwala baika shot na ifika fye mwine mulast umwana omukashana kuti kabana ngo 12 years umwana alifwala obwamba tata naleta banyina amatanta yonse panse no mwana na yena amatanta yonse panse ero mwana very beautiful ero bawishina bafala bwino mulenje bati uyo mwana bawishita bakamuikate Nama tanta ya buta fili ya suma ya terera na neba taka muikate so feba lelenga sana feba fiashi ukukana funda bana intambishes wino pakutira bale baba ichindika mu society nabantu bale basonta and for sure kwali baba nabo tusonta kali akamwana nga kali upire fyo mwana wanje kali ichindika umulando akatura mona fe kuti you can tell what you mwana tomfwa abasambira psychology na psychology share wisdom too you can tell what you ya knowledge na wisdom wako ya psychology you can tell what uyu mwana wa muntu but nango alienda sana na baume but muntu balamoneka abana batuntulu balamoneka abana batuntulu inyo mwana wandi umwe ale upo mwana mtuntulu ili amuletere first day na isamulolesha lili aya na isamu bati mupe mwana wa muntu mutuntulu namumona tabalubika abana batuntulu emkwaye so abafyashi bapose ko sana amano kubana abalumendo nabana bakashana emkwaye.
All right. So now speaking of peer pressure in schools and also in universities, you find that there are certain children that have been brought up in very good homes, but ngaba mkufika ku skulu ni fimbi. And looking at the fact that we're talking about body count, is there a competition in schools or in universities that maybe I should sleep with this person to maybe have these favors, or maybe nganalala no you tabambwene mwati inena liba uashishita?
Mwana wandi magi peer pressure ine walenga ye walanda po ilengere sana abana besu ukonaika iyo ine peer pressure iforo twale kula bale tusambirisha bakalamba because bali chatwa ba peer pressure bale munati stage twafika pwei eya shupana sana so if yale chitaba kalamba pala pene twafika pali ya ine stage ilia pali ya ine age ya shupa bale twikaliko kutwe bati fita bachita ifibala chita ifita bachita bale bana ifwe tight so that once wapula pali ya peer pressure ila ine yona ikira po abaichi nishwala bafyo mukashano mutuntulu so ababana besu kuma skulu ichile balengesha sana lunkumbwa ulunkumbwa lwakumbwa ma Brazilian ulunkumbwa lwakumbwa munandi nakwata iPhone ulunkumbwa lwakumbwa munandi alina motoka teshi benoko ifumine because filya fyonse bale mona muri ama schools fia ababa noko bale fifunya ni kunkondo ya Armageddon filya mule mona ma Brazilian na Africa na Musa na ati 50 inch mama ni nkondo ya Armageddon abana bale amkuba kulikande myera kuba kulika kwa tifya na mukulikana ni taira nomba lile shinguruka bale amkuba kulika pakuti bakwate filya kwakote bali upana walishwa magi
kuma boarding houses
not kuma boarding houses ubwafya abana nga twabaleta college abana bandi baba college baba kusukuru ku yamasukuru za kuru tefyo umwana ku lijali fita ula mutwala kusukuru kumuikarika panshi mwana wandi ule ya kusukuru ya shupa ne chalo tulimo na shupa ikalapa uku ukayasanga abana baba kankala ero iwo uli mwana wa mulanda ukuleya ukayasanga abana batumpa ifibusa kusala ichibusa echisuma necho ufire wasambirisha omwana okumweba ati ukokoleya kusukulu ufire waishi ba number 1 chinshicho wakonka kusukulu.
Yeah, that's true.
Bushe wakonka okwangala wakonka olunkumbo kumbwa abana baba kankala fyo beshira nafyo nefyo balelia nefyo balefwala ngachakutira wakonke skulu pantu iri skulu wayamu kusambirira emuli bawisona bano ko in case of twafwa takwa abo muntu waishwa life span yamu pyashi ine kuti nafwa lero kunafwa mairo but nga washala na mapepa lawe wayamu kusenda kula kuskulu ukekala bwino mu life nangu nimfwa chintu ichibulisha abafyashi abafyashi batafenga balongera umwana ama suitcase na matranka aya kusukuru na phone bashimya tabakatari abatumako na phone ati mwana wandi wikereshana ngabwe lo mwana kusukuru kulya akesa limbira motoka abafyashi bana bwana kwesha ko motoka akesa na Brazilia ne abafyashi bana bwana kufala ko Brazilia leta mfaleko na phone leta ngopire weko kuli phone isuma no ishiba neko ifumine so mistake fwe bale panga ni fwe bakalamba umwana kula muchita monitor ku skulu abana bali mu Zambia bali upwa bali kuma university na kuma college CBU mulungushi bali upwa abana bali onaika I'm telling you bali upwa abakashana cohabiting umwana ali upwa ali kwatane nganda bali musonkerera bataisa ku school abafyashi tabayishiba chishi chalenga mufyashi ushia kugula ku school ukuyishiba abana efyekere because if fwe bafyashi ni responsibility yesu iya kuya ku school because walicha twali ba peer pressure kubana mwaya ku school mwayipisha uyu mwana alasambira shani na ba brother wandi bali kwete umwana umwaume ero na inena kwete umwana wali panipa ero ine umwana ali pa Hivarin ero bena ali panipa so ifu twaleisa mukuba mona lyonse so iyo day na ishena ba brother tentumoni abana bonse banga babiri twabalira pa Hivarin hon twafika uyu mwana achitashana uyu mwana wenu ba mama chikamaneka alo uyu mwana wenu mwana wa muntu akanono kana that time kana 14 years college tefya shashan ba medical ati so apapeni mwaisa mwachitana kuino pakuisa because umwana wenu naba mupera free scholarship ku India aleya tamyebere mwamonaka twate mu and for sure alire 9 years ku India twaisa yo yo alipanipo umwana wa ba brother ukutampo kufayo umwana mu system tabamu achiteve report ila ine 2 weeks ayonse tabako yo twaile ko ni afide ko mu 3rd year ati uyo mwana twamwikete fere ine ayishire pa school atampiro kuta repo abakashana pa school twali mubikira na maseuzi umwana wani katusho kwa tabo pano pa school so chali ba chintu ichikankale chakwati mweba fyashinga mwasenda abana mwabatwala ku schools kabiye ni mukuchita monitor abana benu bali upwa baba ma cohabiting na bakote bali upa nande myeba bafyashi tampeni ukubakonka nokuya mukumona bifire chitabana ukuchira muri samu kulipilisha nsala mwa 50,000 na ma 60,000 kuli basoko muntu.
And on that note, we'll be right back after this very short commercial break.
My name is Mwaka Mugala and you're watching BMTV.
Welcome back, and just you here with me, Maggie, and of course, Mama Chikamoneka. So, Mama Chikamoneka, in this day and age, there's a lot of things that are happening. Young ladies are indulging in sexual activities, but are there still some good ladies out there? And is there still pride in someone being a virgin?
Mwana wandi amashwininga konkomeshafye yakutila ati umukashana ngakula afike chipimo cha 12-13 years na 15-16 years afile fya kwata pride mu kisungu chako bantu kwa be chintu ichachinda mange kisungu lesa pakubike kisungu mu muntu kwishiba umwana kashi alishiba cyari chindama bantu kabiri ku kisungu kule ekufumana abantu nikula kuine so lesa ali tuchite respect bana mayo kula sunge kisungu fyesu ufile fyo kuliye kisungu chobe mulume obe efo chifire fe chabo ruba fulobe emkwa iso afire fya kwata pride ne kisungu chako ero ichisungu fyo mwana kashifye wonso wakwata ichisungu ala yumfa no kuyumfa ala kwata ka pride kalya tete afwaye no kona ula alefa fyo mulume wakwe so nga mwasanga omuntu ulio mukashano kana ba umetefe nishali kwata pride ne kisungu chako ali sunge kisungu ero kisungu nga chapula pali peer pressure nishali ko so mukashana pantu pali apene pali pa bwana nembuleni so ya chali wa mamwe bana kashukula isungu mule sunge kisungu fyenu neli abafyashi benu baleri pilishe mpango pafisungu at least ba mfako bwino ati mwana wesu mwale monaka lefu twale aula ngamwa mona baleta mabechi dzumwana nina tsungu bawishibala kunta ne jacket bate mwachita baona ula tachimoneka bwino sana chakwati mwana isa upoko abule tsungu techisuma sana so tufilefe tule konkomesha chilanje tokutila fwe bafyashi tuambie kweba babale isa noti ba genzi na batupini aba bale bopa free of charge aba baliona ikakale so tuchiteko protect bali abale isa punch up abasunge fisungu fyabo beshi bena meaning ya chisungu emkwai.
Thank you so much, Mama Chikamoneka. So there are also people out there that have, of course, they've slept with a lot of men. Isn't there any redemption for them? When Anis Chapo, if you're feeling a machine, they will always be called that.
Mwana wandi, takuwa bo muntu waba 100% pe somebody achalo. Mwose tu alikuwa taka lumu, tu alikuwa taka ka mistake. oko twakwata bosi twankwataka problem so chali bafye bwino ekyakubati omuntu ng'apita mufya musango efyo ayisa kitali yaraize kuba ti finale kitafiibi omuntu afiire okubwera ku kituntulu so kwali bana second chance iringi abengebo mukamona mu machechi balipitire mufingi babwerera ku chechi babwera mu kupepa tekuba ti bonse kona ikafefira fine awe ichireka birwa cyakuba ti omuntu ng'atali yaraize tefuna ekita tafiweme icho ofire nomba okukita kubwerera nomba kufituntulu wabwera munomo bakutira at least ishina lyanchinje nishina lyorimba bayimba ati mweresa nchinje nishina liryeshina nafuere lyali bipa apa nomba mpereni kweshina limbi tawufiri okuberera muri filafine ukufuira muri filafine awe emkwaye.
All right. Thank you so much, Mama Chika Monica, for your wisdom. Well, you heard it right here on BMTV, channel 114, on Topstar. And of course, on Facebook, we're there, BMTV channel 114. We're also on YouTube, BMTV Zambia. And we're definitely also there on Instagram as BMTV Zambia, TikTok as well. We're there at BMTV Zambia. And of course, follow our WhatsApp channel at BMTV Zambia. It's been me, Maggie, here in the studio with Mama Chika Monica. One thing to take home, though, is that there is still pride in being a virgin. There is nothing wrong with you if men don't have sexual advances towards you. There is nothing wrong with that because that is you. That is who you are. It's so good to have that pride, knowing that no one has ever touched you and you're preparing yourself for someone who is even better, because people out there are lying to these young girls out there. And the only thing that we are taking from these things that are happening are these same things that we're seeing on social media, where young girls are being exposed, things that we're not even supposed to see, because certain girls haven't taken pride in being a virgin, in being who they are. So there is nothing wrong with that. Do not ever be pressured in anything, thinking that maybe no, ni shalila, or maybe I need to upgrade myself. There is nothing wrong with you. You are perfect just the way you are. Sleeping with many people does not define how much of a champion you are. Even the guys out there, it doesn't determine that you have so much pride. No, I'm a champion. There is nothing that exists in wanting to be a champion over things that do not even matter. And even the ladies out there, there is nothing about being a champion. How many men have I slept with? I'm a champion. I've slept with this one. I know this. I know that. There is nothing about being a champion in such things. It is good that you take care of yourself. It is good that you take care of your bodies. And remember that as you sleep around, there are diseases out there. There are curses out there. You're going to be getting things that you never even wanted to get. You'll be getting curses that you never wanted to have upon yourself. So take care of yourself. And on Ilya, she will definitely be dishing it out to you as raw as we are. Thank you so much, Mama Chika Monica, for being here. You're really making me grow so much. I didn't even know that I have so much wisdom. Well, it's been me, Maggie, and see you on another episode of Ilyashi right here on BMTV channel 114. Bye.